A year ago, I showed you a way of duplicating your entire Jamboards. However, at the time, there wasn't a direct way to do it within your boards, and it wasn't very convenient. However, Google has updated this, meaning that you can now do it directly within your boards and so much more easily. But why create multiple versions of Jamboards? Duplicating your Jamboards is a great way to create templates for students or for employees or colleagues or whatever. It enables you to show developments of work. It can be worked for collaborative pieces, to give you master copies of a document, or to create multiple different versions of the same document for different people, and so much more. And to do this, what you want to do is head on up to the top right of the Jamboard you'd like to duplicate. So I'd like to duplicate this one, and then go to the three dots for more options. And from here, what we want to do is head on down to where it says make a copy. If we click on this, it will encourage us to name the copy of our document. And then we're also able to choose things like where it's saved into or where the duplicate is placed into your Google Drive, and then also gives you the ability to share it with the same people if you want to. And then once you're happy to make the copy, click the blue Make a Copy button at the bottom right. And now, as you can see, I've now got two versions of the same Jamboard. Now what I'd recommend doing is learning how to duplicate individual slides within Jamboard, and you can do that by clicking or tapping the video shown on screen now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more content just like this.